This is another in the series on advanced spring design software from UTS and the Spring Manufacturers Institute. This session will cover the storage capabilities in ASD7. We'll go to the File menu, go to Open Design for a look at the different ways that designs can be stored and recalled as necessary. These are the different groupings that are available. Springs can be grouped in this way. So if we have, for example, a compression spring, we see the different spring types available under compression spring: conical rectangular, conical round, cylindrical, hot coiled round, cylindrical rectangular, and cylindrical round. So for each spring group, there are a number of spring types. They can also be grouped according to the different customers that you may have saved in your database. You can also save projects, and each design is stored with its own part number, so you can search by part number. Finally, you can also search by creation date, so you can look that way. So if we want to look at all of the compression springs with the cylindrical and round type, we can do a search, and we see that a listing has been made here. And for each one, we also see different versions can be made available. Then you select the one you want, and you can open that one. Another facility that's available in ASD7 relates to the storage of designs as profiles. Another way of thinking of a profile is as a template file, if you will. So if I save this as a profile, I'll call this tutorial compression. I can save this as either a global profile or a user profile. A global profile would make it available for everyone using the database. A user profile would make it so that it's only available to me when I log in as this user. I'm given this opportunity. The department profile, again, is an intermediate category on that. I'll save this as a global profile and save that away. Later, I can use the File menu. I go to File, Profiles, and for all the different spring types under compression, I see them listed. Here is the tutorial compression profile under compression sill round. I can now edit this. I see that every variable is listed here. The default values are shown. We can also apply minimum and maximum values and specify whether those are to be firm limits. In other words, you just will not allow an entry outside of those values. And every variable in the math model is covered this way. You could then save this away, and anyone else that would use the tutorial compression profile would begin in that form. Now you can then save that away and access it later, but this is a template, an initial template file to get you started with that. So we've done a lot of effort in making the database very versatile, flexible, and powerful so that you can save and find your designs later. We hope you put this to good advantage.